Welcome to the Economy Setup tutorial. Twist out the feet so they are parallel. Set the banner stand on the ground. Connect your 3-part bungee pole and place it in the holder found on the back of the base. Ensure that the pole is positioned in the hole fully and is being supported by the black piece. Grab the top bar from the base and pull up on the banner. Roll the top bar backwards to connect it to the top clip. Perfect, you've set up your economy banner stand. To take your banner down, gently remove the top bar from the top clip. Retract the banner slowly into the base, ensuring that the graphic does not scrape against the sides.